Kenya shillings in 2022 from Kenya shillings 23,000 the previous year. That is an increase of about 294 shillings per kilo. Apart from expansion of the existing market, the demand has been on the rise. That is why Pakistan, for instance, imported 20.6% more tea than in the previous year of 2021. Besides keeping traditional markets such as Egypt, United Arab Emirates and the United Kingdom, Kenya made more inroads in Africa. It was among first member states parties to trade in tea under the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement with Ghana. Distinguished farmers, the international market size for tea remains healthy. It is projected to grow to up to 6.7% by the year 2031. Exceeding $93.2 billion. Consumption of black tea alone, which Kenya produces most, is expected to grow by over 2% in the next decade. Despite the current stable and favorable market, our smallholder tea farmer remains at the bottom of the pyramid. The farmer is pressed by high cost of production. They also bear the burden of huge operational costs. In spite of Kenya producing distinct flavors of tea, the market does not take care of the best interests of the farmer. The farmer has no power to determine the price, yet this is a much sought commodity across the globe, even when sold in raw form. In other words, the farmer who puts most efforts earns the least. In simple terms, the pyramid is inverted against the farmer. The farmer is struggling economically. Distinguished farmers and delegates, that is why we are here today. President William Ruto, in Executive Order Number 1, 2023, tasked me with the responsibility to lead public reforms in the tea, coffee, thing commensurate to their sweat and effort. As we settle down for this summit, the President expects lasting results. This will feed into the Kenya Kwanza plan of value addition to the tea, which will multiply the earnings of our farmer. Currently, up to 95% of our tea is exported in raw form. This means farmers do not get maximum value for their sweat. In addition, we want our farmers to earn more from specialty tea. This is how we will stabilize and strengthen our economy, promoting a